Located with 4,300 feet of frontage along I-70 is a prime 103-acre site for sale near Boonville, Missouri. Boonville, named for two of legendary Daniel Boone's sons, has been an epicenter for transportation since the early 1820s, when riverboat traffic along the Missouri River and the eastern entry for the Santa Fe Trail made it a busy hub for people and products traveling across the United States. This I-70 choice interstate frontage location, 20 minutes west of Columbia, between Kansas City and St. Louis, provides quick and easy access to national truck routes that lead to all points east, west, north, and south. Boonville Municipal Airport is less than half a mile away, and Columbia Regional Airport is just 38 miles away. This site is also located in a foreign trade zone, with a port located on the Missouri River within 5 miles of this property. This greenfield site is located within a community improvement district, with infrastructure being provided by the community of Windsor Village, Como Electric, and the local rural water district. While the base engineering has been laid out with a preliminary vision, we have the flexibility to adapt to your specific needs on this greenfield site. In addition, Como Connect has brought high-speed internet service to the area. That means there's ample bandwidth and speed for any business dependent upon cloud-based technologies for operations. This site would be ideal for a distribution or manufacturing business. With a central Missouri location and ramps to I-70 just minutes away, large population centers in the east, southeast, and central U.S. are within easy reach. Local visibility to I-70 traffic would be great for name recognition in the area for advertising or recruiting. Manufacturing businesses in this area are conveniently located close to OEMs in the automotive and aerospace industries, as well as a wide variety of suppliers and manufacturing partners who find that Central Missouri isn't just a great location, it's a great place to do business. When you relocate or start a business in Boonville, you'll become neighbors with companies like Quaker Window, Nucor Steel, Burger Smokehouse, Gates Rubber Company, and Caterpillar. Like these companies, you'll find an available workforce of nearly 80,000 people stretching from Columbia to Sedalia. Boonslick Technical Education Center, a part of our local school district, and State Fair Community College work with businesses in our region to train and educate employees with the skills that employers need in modern manufacturing. These educational institutions guide career exploration for young people as they enter the workforce and help mature workers retool their skills to bring them up to speed with technology. We want your business in Cooper County, Missouri. Our unique rural coalition of economic development partners are ready to provide the coordination that makes moving to Central Missouri a wise financial decision. Like the Boone brothers, you'll find this is a place where your vision can take root and your business can grow. Contact us to schedule a meeting.